Okay. All right, so I just finished. You guys see that I was making this stewed fish, brown stewed fish, and so I got my plantains and my salad. So
And you're looking good.
I think you're looking good, better than KFC.
KFC don't show no
I know.
fish.
Exactly
KFC
my
don't
point.
show fish.
All right, so that's the stewed fish. All right, and then I got the rest of my potatoes cooking up. All right, so this is the finishing product of it. My brown stewed fish, my fried plantains, and my salad. So now I am going to try it and let you guys see my reaction. You see how the meat is?
Tender.
Tender, falling off the bone. See the bones?
The bones.
All right, so I got my peppers. Let me get a little bit of
Make sure you cook
peppers. My tomatoes. This is a good Sunday meal. This is getting too good, y'all. I gotta finish this off camera.